I'm interested in creating a small sign for my shop. It would be a carved sign with my company name and some other logo, and I will design something here in SketchUp for that sign. And starting with a face that would be the sheet of paper size, 11 by 8.5, and I'll go to a front view here and also a camera parallel projection. First thing is I would like the name of my company that I would carve out, and I will use some letters here, the 3D text feature in SketchUp with a height of 7/8 of an inch for the lettering, and it's Garamond font, which I like to carve. It's a Roman style letter font, and I need to type in my company name. And then place on the sheet of paper, I'll place it about right here. And I want that to be black lettering. And I'll use a V tool to carve those letters. But now I need a logo. I would like a piece of furniture to show up in this area right here, and I've picked a Queen Anne chair that I've just designed, and here it is, cabriole legs and so on, and I'll copy this model and then come back to my sign design and do an edit paste. And of course I've got a huge chair and I need to scale that down. Pick the scale tool and come down, but I need to bring that out in front of the piece of paper. So I'll bring it out here, go back to the front view, and scale again. Maybe about that size. Let's see how that fits. And they come over on the red and then come back up on the blue. And I want this to be black as well. So now I've got a silhouette of the chair, and then I want to have an underline on the company, and that looks like something I can carve. Let me bring this down just a little bit. Okay. I'll make a group. And this needs to be, I will have to transfer this design to the piece of wood that I will carve. And so I need a mirror image of this print. I'll copy the group over here and then flip along red, and I have a mirror image now that I can print full size, take down to the shop and do the acetone transfer of the laser print to the piece of wood for carving.